Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the tomorrow's prediction, which is on 10th of April, which is on Monday. So we will quickly do some analysis on Monday's Bank Nifty indices. So before looking into more details on technical charts and other analysis, first of all we need to understand what is the global trend, what's which is how is the global indices performing, because all these global indices are dependent on Indian indices. In fact, if you look at the global trends, which will definitely follow the Indian indices. So we will quickly look at the global indices. Currently, Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq is in positive. So it's in green. And if you look at the European markets, that's in green again. And SGX Nifty, which is indicating in positive, but it's a flat, I would say. It is a flat which is up by 8 points, 8, 9 points. It's not a big difference. And most of the Asian markets are in green. So we have to know before we do some trading analysis, because without knowing these details, you just cannot dependent on technical charts directly on resistance, breakout, break in. So it doesn't make any difference. So most of the traders lose money by option buying some options. So the global indices suggest that we can expect tomorrow the flat opening. So unless and until in the morning session tomorrow it turns red, we cannot see some downward movement. So unless and until it is in green or it is in flat kind of thing, we can see some neutral stage or neutral stand. Okay, so currently it's all in green, or we can say it's in neutral, and we can expect Bank Nifty to gap up, or I can say we can expect something like, let's take a pencil, um, doodle. So somewhere, so currently the Bank Nifty closed on last trading session, which is 41,039. So maybe it may open somewhere here if the SGX Nifty is in green, which is indicating flat. If the SGX Nifty turns red, somewhere we can expect below the line, or if it is flat somewhere here, which is I have drawn already. If it is SGX Nifty indicating a very high points like 50, 60 points, then we can expect somewhere above these lines gap up. So in the early sessions, let the gap up open, let the markets pre-orders, let the uh, fill all the orders. So you should not take any orders in the beginning sessions. As I always tell, in the Bank Nifty, you need to wait till 12 o'clock. Why? Because that is the time FIIs, DIs takes entry. And then you can see the major momentum from whether it is upwards or whether it is downwards. So because most of the indices, or we can say European markets, open at 12:30, which is on Indian time, IST. So then we can see some movement in the Bank Nifty or Nifty. So I suggest, do not rely on completely on technical analysis. Anybody can draw a resistance and the support lines. You always make sure that you wait for a proper line, proper resistance, check the option chain data. So we'll quickly cover the option chain data as well. As I think it's not updated. So if you look at the 41,000, so this is not updated. So we cannot see the major calls as well. So we can calculate. I will give a good tip. Always look at the resistance at a psychological level. which is 41,000, 41,500, 42,000, 39,500. This is a psychological resistance, which is a round figure. Okay, so let's say this is a psychological figure, 41,000 cores. But this is a not a data of tomorrow's prediction. This is of data of last trading session. Okay, so this, make sure you see the charts. I can see option chain data tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Then you can take a trading positions. You'll have a clear picture like what is the range of the market. Okay, so if let's say if it is open neutral, then we can say bank nifty will gap up or slightly neutral stage. Then let's say it will open up somewhere here and gap up here, then it will go market up down up down up down up down. Then we need to wait till 12 o'clock and we'll get the perfect resistance or breakout. So these are the already resistance which I have drawn in the last trading sessions, which is really important. You have to consider this this technical analysis as well. And with that we can come to some conclusion that what are the proper chart or proper analysis on resistance or support zones. So as I said, if it is opens neutral, somewhere it will gap up, somewhere up down it will do. Then we will see option chain data. So if option chain is within some 600 points, then we will calculate based on that and we'll take a trading sessions. So if the option chain data is very huge tomorrow, then I'll take a buy option. If the range is very low, then definitely I'll be selling the call option, put option, which is a strangle strategy. Okay. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys. If you like this video, then definitely do not forget to subscribe it and like my video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.